Hello guys, and welcome to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to do microwave edit on Capcut. First is to create a slow-mo video, so enable for you to do that is to click on your video, and then click on speed, and then go to normal. And then you want to make sure to select the smooth slow-mo for your video. Now if you don't have any pro version of Capcut, you can use the Node Video app right here. Just go to mini mode option and then select the smooth slow-mo. And now that we have our slow-mo videos, what we're going to do is to compile all of them. Just make sure to crop the clip that you want to include on your edit, and then if you want to reverse your video, what you're going to do is just duplicate your video and then click the reversed option. And now after that, add your audio and then make sure to select your audio and add some beats. Now this will serve as your guide throughout the process, and make sure to adjust the clip exactly as the guide bits on your audio. Now that we are done with the editing of clips, what we're going to do is go to curves and then do the exact settings what I did right here. Just do that to the rest of your clips. You want to make sure also that the clips is exactly as the beats of your music. The next thing that we need to do is to add some transitions between each clip. So go to transitions and simply search for glitch. Now you don't have to add it to all of your clips, just choose the clip that you want for this. And here is the result of our edit. And then that's it guys. I hope that you learned in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.